Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making.
So today I'll be sharing my new brand ambassador package from Graphic 45, and let's dive right to it. I did get some extra tags, and these are going to be in the ivory color because I am planning on making some kind of like shabby chic mini albums and shabby chic projects because, oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you the new paper pad collection that they've come out with. And so we also have some cloth feet. These are the Graphic 45 antique brass cloth feet that I'll be using on their boxes. And I got a couple of sets of those, and I did get a set of antique brass door knockers to use on the mini albums as well. And let me show you the paper collection because the paper collection is super awesome. This is the brand spanking new Graphic 45 Garden Goddess collection. I got an 8x8 paper pad, I got a 12x12 paper pad, and I also got the Garden Goddess Patterns and Solids paper pad. So to make it easier on everybody, let me just go ahead and do a flip through the 8x8 paper pad. And so here we go. Just take a look at that beauty. I love it. This lends itself to bright and airy and sunny and even shabby chic. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start working with this collection. I love it. So you get 1, 2, 3 of each in this, and look at these flowers. I just love the artistry that Graphic 45 brings to each and every single one of their paper designs. These are so super wonderful. And this, oh my gosh, look at this. It's so super pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So let me flip. Oh my gosh, look at that. See, I'm looking at these papers for the first time right along with you, and these are so super beautiful. The colors are so vibrant and so beautiful, and the designs are like, wow. I just love them. Love them. Oh my gosh, and look at the ephemera cards. Aren't these gorgeous? They are so pretty, and you can do so much with these. You can use them on cards, you can use them for your tags, or just ephemera cards in your mini album. And oh my gosh, look at this design. Isn't this super gorgeous? Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm just loving all the peachy pink that you get in this collection. I love that. I really do enjoy using the solids from Graphic 45. And look at this. Isn't that absolutely magnificent? With a beautiful clock. Oh my gosh, and look at this. This is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my word, look at that. Oh, magnificent. Oh my gosh. It's like one page is more beautiful than the next. Let me see what the back. Oh, this is so super gorgeous. I love it. Oh, this, I'm definitely going to make a mini album with all these papers. Oh my gosh, look at that. And I'll be sure to turn the camera on so that I can record the entire process. Oh my gosh, and look at these sunflowers, they're so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, this makes for a very happy mini album. I love these colors. I love them. And see, I do enjoy working with the Graphic 45 patterns and solids papers. Let me use my little tool here. Oh my gosh, look at that pattern. I know I'm holding it sideways, but I'm sure that you can see. Oh my word. Oh, and look at this. It's a very muted yellow pattern, and it's got tiny little, no wait, it's got the sunflowers and so forth. I hope that y'all can see that. And so you get 2 of each, and look at this. I just love this color. Oh my word. Oh my word. I love this. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And look at that. This is so happy. Happy colors. I love their happy colors. And look at this green. It's so pretty. So super pretty. And to the back of the green, once again, you get that very light yellow. And look over here. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, with a beautiful green on the back. And here we have some leaves. How pretty is this? With more green on the back. And, oh my word, look at this happy yellow. You cannot help but smile when you see these colors, right? I just love these colors. Look at that. I love these yellows and these gold tones. How pretty. Look at that. That is so super pretty. So this is a 12 by 12 patterns and solids, and we've taken a look at the 8 by 8, and let's go ahead and see the 12 by 12 paper pack. And oh my gosh, we do get the stickers with this. Look at the stickers. They are so super beautiful. Look at that. And okay, and this is pretty much, yep, this is the same pattern as the patterns that I've shown you on here, so I'm not going to open this up for you, but as you can see, this is what the sticker 12 by 12 sheet looks like. And let's take a look at this other. Okay, and I have over here some chipboard from the same collection, and this is what you get with a chipboard. Beautiful, beautiful. And over here we have the cardstock die cuts. Let me show it to you like this. And then I'll show them to you like this. And look at the back. Oh gosh, it's so super beautiful. I love these colors. It's so super beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And the other collection that I have to share with you is the new Graphic 45 Flutter paper pack. And this is so super pretty. Let me show you the sticker sheet that you get on the back. Look at all those amazing colors. So here is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet one more time. Just look at all the beautiful, wonderful colors that you get with that. And now I'm going to turn it around so that we can do a flip through of the pages that are in this collection. And look how pretty. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? And look at the back. Absolutely stunning colors of blue. And you get 1-2 sheets per design. And here's another beautiful design. Those of you who love blue, like an electric type of blue and the hot pinks, this is the paper pad for you. This is so super pretty. I am loving the designs. The colors just pop right out, and I love that about Graphic 45. Oh my gosh. Here is another happy mini album that I'm going to be sharing with y'all. And look at this. You get all sorts of insects like beetles, and I don't know what else is in there, but look at that. And this is the back to it. It's very pretty. I like the colors. But what are these? I have no idea what these are, but it's very colorful, and I do enjoy that. And so you get 2 of these. And let me put one here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant and so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, and look at the back. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love how, oh my gosh, the colors are so intense. I love that. Oh my word, and look at this. I really do hope that my laptop is doing these justice, because I do record through my laptop camera. And look at that. I like the squiggly lines. Beautiful, beautiful. And this one, we have some ephemera cards, or cards that you can, paper that you can use to make cards with. And here we go. And you get 2 of these, and look at the back. They're ants. Oh, it's so beautiful. I just love this paper. Oh my word, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's like my eyes are dancing with joy. It's so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. And look at the back. Oh my word, this is so super beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this is awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. How pretty is that? And look at the back. It's so super pretty. I love it. I think these are honeycomb cells. I love it. So here's the sticker sheet. And so this is the 12 by 12 Flutter collection. And this is available at Graphic 45 Papers. And I will go ahead and link you to the Graphic 45 website in the description area below so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, and I do have one more collection to share with you. And this one has been out for a while, but I loved it so much, I want to play with it. I want to go ahead and make something spectacular with this. And if some of y'all are not familiar with this one, this is the Sunkist Collection. And I've seen this paper on other projects, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Look at it. It's so super beautiful. That blue, the vibrancy of that blue is what just gets me. It's like, wow. And look at these colors that they use. They're so super beautiful. And I just love that design. With this, you can easily make a, let's see, this is an 8x8 paper pad. You can easily make a 6x8 mini album with this. So super beautiful. And you get 3 sheets. Let me show you the other design. That's what the other design looks like. It's super pretty. And this is what the back of that sheet looks like so. And oh my gosh, look at this, how pretty. Look at the little girls playing on the sand. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I just love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to work with this. This is so super awesome. And look, here we have some designs that we can cut out to make journaling cards and borders. Oh, and look at the turtles. You're so super cute. If you could only see the intensity of this blue, and once again, I hope that the camera is picking up on the intensity of these colors. You know, that's when I saw my very first scrapbooking video on YouTube. It was a scrapbook made with papers by Graphic 45, and I fell in love. It only took one video and I was hooked. I just love the intensity that they use in the colors, and the designs are so beautiful. Here is the back to that. And I'm sure that a lot of you who are also fans of Graphic 45, I bet you anything that it was the colors that got you, huh? There we go. Look at that. They're so super beautiful. Oh gosh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. And look at the back. So super pretty. I just love these colors. And I tell you, if you could see my face right now, I have a grin from ear to ear because these colors make me so happy. Oh my goodness, I just love it. And look at that. Oh my gosh, and this is the last design. Okay, here is another in blue. Just magnificent. Magnificent. Oh my gosh, and look at this. I just love that. Love it, love it, love it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Click on that bell icon. I focus on paper crafting, project shares, and tutorials. And I also have a blog where you can see a lot of neat pictures and inspiration and full supply lists each time I share a project with you. So thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you once again on the next video. Bye!